Hey everyone, this video is about how to remove the background of an image or photos. I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to remove the background. First, open your PC or laptop and open browser and type background remover or BG remover and click search. Then you will be able to see this link www.remove.bg. Open that. Here we go. This website is 100% free and you can remove background for thousands of images per day. And usually you don't need to sign up with this website. But if you sign up, it's added advantage. Okay, let's see how to remove the background. You can upload the image here or drag and drop a file like this. Now I click upload image and choose the photo you want to remove background and click open. Then it automatically removes the background. Okay, now it's ready to download. Click download. That's it. Now I am going to File Explorer. Downloads. Open that. Yeah, the background was removed perfectly. Likewise, you can remove the backgrounds of any image like this. And only if your photo has too many objects means it can't do the job well. Otherwise, it works great. And usually this preview file was enough for YouTube thumbnail and some general purposes. Personally, this free version is enough for me. If you want to download higher resolution images means you have to convert yourself into pro users. These are the subscription prices. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.